And hello, Jordan Avenger here. In the way. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy your day yesterday because I wasn't available yesterday because I was on a call with my somebody you should not know, and it's personal. And secondly, I was at a restaurant. Yesterday, with and forks in, and then yeah, things started to get weird. So, anyways, in game messed up. So I hope you guys enjoyed your day yesterday because I wasn't around yesterday. But let's get started with this video, shall we? And I hate this part so much with this video, reaction video here. So let's go to do it. Let's do it. Screw it. Let's do it. Anyways, let's do it. It is called Transformers Extinction Ratchet Death Scene by Kevin Game 2. So, make sure to follow her or him, or like her or him, or subscribe to him or her. So, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go. I had to turn this up a little bit, guys. It was locked down. Oh, Secretary Wind. Every time. Let's stay. Thank you. Oh, come on.
Take the beach. Nice and easy. Alright, hold what you got. Release the mini drones.
This sucks, guys. Badly enough. I don't know why they're trying to hunt down Ratchet. He didn't do anything wrong.
Closest to the bow. Predator 01, capture.
They found him. They found him. That's great. That's freaking great. I gotta check this out.
Gunfighter 01, Eagle moving, internal, second deck. Fourth side, and at your point. Squadman A3, Squadman A3.
Again, every time. His phone falls all the time.
Sight on rooftop, sight on rooftop. That's open to an standby.
Did that 3 times.
I got it.
Oh, Ratchet. I feel sorry about Ratchet, guys. I really do. I really do feel sorry about him. Here he goes. Get out of there, Ratchet. Get out of there. Or not. He's trapped now. Oh! Nice.
Hold fire. Not see, I've been injured.
I don't know why you had to bug Ratchet too much like this, guys. He was suffering pain in the first place. Why you had to kill him? That was ridiculous.
Why are you running?
Optimus sent this distress message.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. He sent a message to all from us humans.
Cease all contact with humans.
Yeah.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.
And then, yeah, that was the trick.
What's wrong with you
Okay.
humans?
Like I said, Ratchet's dead. There's no way he's gonna get out. Oh God.
Check bar.
Okay, this is awkward. The first time I watched this movie, this was awkward in the beginning. What, I didn't know he worked with the Cemetery Wind.
Knockdown. Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime? Never.
Ratchet.
Never is here.
What is wrong, you Lockdown? You're a monster. Well, that was a good video right there. Exactly a month. Exactly. But I like that how Lockdown turned to that Lamborghini. That was so awesome at the end there. But it's really perfect that Michael Bay made all these movies, and it's kind of weird that Transformers is going to be changing. They're changing a lot now, actually, because Michael Bay already made a new Transformer movie already this year. I mean, this is insane that Michael Bay made all these movies, and it's insane he did that, and the reaction of it, and the it's real. It's all real, but it's fake though. It's not like real, but. Yeah, so that was Transformers Age of Extinction, Ratchet Death Scene. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, much as I did. And make sure to subscribe, unlike, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Alright guys, and I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye. And one thing guys, let's hope I make it by tomorrow afternoon at 2 p.m. If not, I'll just make it up on Monday or so, or Tuesday. Alright guys, and till then, I'll see you then, and bye-bye.